No update. I just bought. Ooh, that is cool. Oh
Wait,
my
what's your
gosh.
YouTube again?
It's i.fell.mydude.
i.fell.mydude.
i.fell.mydude. So.
i.fell.mydude. Okay.
Yay. Yeah, you guys probably know about this. I just bought that. But this stuff is awesome. You are awesome.
Yeah. I mean, they had these last year, so I mean, it's not really much exciting for me. I still like to see their faces again, you know.
Yeah.
Popsicle,
Like petting the ducky.
Dude, I've always wanted like the popsicle, bubblegum, and the ducky. I've gotten both of these, but I really so yeah.
Okay, well,
I really want the ducky, but it's probably not gonna happen because I'm completely broke.
let's go get to the water balloons. So they added water balloons. This is gonna be crazy.
Yeah.
Water balloons.
Oh, and for some people that are new, you can throw them at a person.
I'm gonna cook Doug the butt. I'm just kidding. What if I?
Doug the butt shouldn't get splashed as well. Dead. Yep. You can grab them, throw them.
No.
Then,
hey, is there any fires I can use for this? I need a fire.
The fire over there works. Got tents too. You can do camping roleplay, and you got a whole cooler. You got the oh my gosh, get out the grill. You can cook your marshmallow and a cooler. I stay in business. And we got words.
This is
like
awesome.
That actually works. It's like ice. And then you bounce on the black thing, and it.
This looks like the stick that the moderators have.
Oh. But just mini. Mini
They have a big one. They're
yeah, you can,
theirs
like,
is about this size.
What?
Theirs is about this size.
Yeah.
Ugh. Have you seen a moderator stick before?
I have once. So, disclaimer, I have seen a long time ago, I've seen a guy named Boda with the stick. I saw Boda. No, Boda, the ancient white monkey. I saw him for like a split second, and then, well, he had the stick out, so.
Was he trolling? Alright, well, I hope you guys liked the update.
He actually had a stick, so.